that when we tuck the tail, I don't know if you can see, I've lost connection to my toes. Circulation. Watch, see if I can bring it back there. Now I have my toes. As soon as I tuck, I don't have my toes circulating in the same way. Stand and do it yourself. Otherwise you have to memorize something which has no meaning. When you tuck, feel what happened, move your toes, then let that go, and feel your toes now. And you say what it feels like.
Relief.
Relief.
More weight in the front.
I heard something.
Weight can go into the pads of the feet.
Yeah. For me, I feel like now I could really push off. Where if I'm tucked, tuck and push off. It's difficult. So release any tucking and find the gland, and then you can push off. So when we start to move, that would be something to explore.